Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Power series intervals get easy when you spot the center, find the radius, then test endpoints carefully to match exactly 0 less than x left.
First, match the intervals 0 to 2 to a center and radius. The midpoint is 1 and the distance to each endpoint is 1, so we need center x minus 1.
That immediately removes the x plus 1 choices, leaving A and B, and both have radius 1 by the ratio test, so their basic interval before endpoint checks is 0 to 2. Now test x equals 0 and x equals 2. A becomes a harmonic type series that diverges at 0 but alternates and converges at 2, matching.
Well done! Option A. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust the given interval, then check endpoints carefully because that decides the exact interval.